Good morning everybody. My name is Rizwan. I am a computer faculty of Micropark Computer Center Tukur. Today I am taking a class in HTML. Okay. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and HTML is a basic tool for designing the websites. Okay. And HTML is working on the basis of tags. Okay. TAGs, tags. Okay. My name is Rizwan. I am computer faculty of Micropark Computer Center Tukur. Now HTML is, if you want to write the coding, you are writing in Notepad. Okay, you are writing in Notepad and you are running in different browsers. Okay, if you want to run the application, you are running in Mozilla Firefox, or you are running in Microsoft Edge, or it may be Google Chrome. Like these are the different browsers where you are running the HTML coding, or you can say tag. Now what I will do, I will go to Notepad. Okay, I will go to Notepad. In Notepad, what I will do, first I will show you one basic HTML file, how to create an HTML file. Okay, HTML stands for what? Hypertext Markup Language. Now next what I will do, if you want to create some basic tags like title. Okay, I will say title. I will say welcome to, say Micropark. Okay, and I will say /title. Okay. Then what I will do, then again here, now next suppose if I say I want to make the text bold. Okay, B stands for bold. Okay, again I'll say Micropark. Okay, again I'll say /B. Now suppose if you want to make italic, I'll say I stands for italic. Okay, now again I'll say Micropark. Okay, like that you keep on giving the always whatever the tags you are opening, you have to close with the slash. Okay, then if you want italic, you say U, then I'll say Micropark. Okay, again you say /U. Okay, and suppose you have one more that is called superscript. Now superscript, suppose if I say as that is H, like let's suppose if you say you want to say A square. Okay, I'll say A super of 2. Okay, now again what I'll say, now suppose if I want next one, I'll say B. Okay, now I'll say B sub. Actually what is the meaning of sub? Sub means it will come in the bottom of the letter, unlike A2, B2, okay, B2. Okay, again if I say example, I'll say H, then I'll say sub. Okay, I'll say sub, then I'll say 2. Okay, then I'll say O, H2O. Okay, like that. Superscript means it will become A square, sub will become B2, or like H2O, like that. You can add superscript or subscript. Okay, these things you can add. And you can add title, bold, and you have different headers. Suppose if I say H1, okay, that's the size of the heading. Suppose I'll say Micropark, and if you want to close it, say /H1. Like that, how many sizes you want, you can create, keep on creating. Totally, how many sizes are there? See, there are 7 sizes, 7 header sizes. Okay, 7 are there. Okay, you say H1, then you say H2. Okay, then H3, H4, H5, H6 and H7. Total there are 7 header sizes. Okay, H3, H4, H5, H6 and H7. Okay. Now what I will do? Now if you want to close, what you do? You say first you have to, now before that what you do? You have to add one tag called body. See, body is the tag. Body is the background tag. Okay. Then you say first you have to close the inner tag, then you have to close the outer tag /HTML. Okay. Then if you want to save this file. Okay. Now save by name. Suppose you will say h1.html. Always you are saving your degree .html. Okay. Then you got to go to all files. Okay. Then you say save. Okay. If you want to see what you do, we go to one option here. Now go to the file. Okay. H1. Where that file? See, automatically the file will be converted to the browser page. Okay, browser page where you can see the output. Click on this H1 file. Now see, like this you can see. Now different headers you can see. Now in this case what I do, if you want to break up the line, what we do? Now again you go back to the header. Okay, again you say, now if you want to edit, again select the file, you go to the right click, then you go to open with Notepad. Okay, now again what I will do, if you want one by one, then option you have one tag called BR. BR stands for breakup line. Okay. BR stands for breakup line. Okay. You say BR. BR, and here also you say BR. Okay. Like that. Okay. BR stands for breakup line. Okay. Like this. If you want one by one. Okay. BR. BR stands for breakup line. Okay. Now what you do? Now say this file. Again, if you want to check it out, you go back to this file. Okay. Now see, you can see here, like this is superscript, subscript, and this is H2O, and these are different header sizes: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and H7. Okay. Now this is the basic tag what I am doing. Now suppose if you want to see once again what you do, again you go back to open it, then you go to notepad. Here you can see what are the things I had done. Okay. Now next what in the next program is, okay, again I'll go to new file. Now suppose I want what I'll do, I'll say HTML. Okay. Then I'll go to, you have a tag called body. In that body I want to add a background color. For that I have a subtag called color, BG color. See, BG color is for adding background color to the body. Body means background. Suppose if I say red, okay, red. Then what I'll do, if you want to add some text on the web page, you say font. Font is the tag. Then you say font face. Click on font, then you say font face equals which style you want, you can select. Suppose if I say Arial is there, bold is there, or if you want some other styles, you go to MS Word. Okay, you go to MS Word. You go to MS Word, and here you can select. Okay, whichever style you select, then you copy this style. Go back to the notepad, press Alt tab, then it's Control V. Okay. Then what I will do? Then you say font color. Font color equals which color you want to select. Suppose upon red, I'll say yellow. Okay, yellow. Then size. You say size, how much you want to select. Suppose if you say size equals, I'll say 15 something. Then what you do? Give some tag. I'll say welcome to micropark. Okay, micropark computer center. Then what you do? If you want to close, you say first you say slash font. That whichever tag you open, same thing you have to give by giving slash. Okay. And then here or next what you do. Now again if you want one more tag, same thing you can do. Select it, Control C, again Control V. Okay, like that you keep on adding. Then what you do, if you want to close, you say slash body, then you say slash HTML. Okay, like this. Now here, like that you can keep on changing the color, and now if you want you can change these are called font names. If you want some other name, again you go back to Alt tab, because which style you want to select. Suppose I want this one, again select this style, go back to the notepad, Alt tab, then you paste it, Control V, again go back to this. Like that you can keep on changing whichever font name you want, you can select, again Alt tab, again select the font name, whichever name you want to select. Okay. Again you copy this one, Control C, again go back to this, then you say Control V. Okay. If you want, you can change the color, yellow, you can say blue, okay, and you can say pink, like this. Okay, that you can change. If you want to see what you do, you say file save, okay, and if you want, you can give some other files. I say h2 dot, always you have to go .html, hypertext markup language, then you go to all files, okay, then you go to the which file you want, h2, no, you go to h2 file. Now see here you can see, okay, like this you can see the. Now if you want one by one, if you want to break up the line, what you do, again you go back to this h2 file. If you want to go to h2 file, what you do, right click on the browser, then you go to open with, then you go to notepad. Okay, here what you do, if you want one by one, I told you say BR stands for breakup line. Okay, click on BR and go to the end and type BR, breakup line. Okay, then you say BR, then you go to save, Alt tab. Okay, then what you do, you go to this h2 file, select it. Now see, you can say welcome to Micropark Computer Center. Then welcome to that, you can see one by one. Okay, like that you can keep on editing whatever you want, whatever changes you want, you can keep on editing here. Understood? Like this. Again you can notepad. Now here, suppose if you want, you can decrease the size. Suppose I will say welcome to spelling you want, you can reduce the size. Suppose if I say 12, how much you want, you can reduce. And you click on save. Now see, run this one. Okay, whether you can, how much you want, you can reduce and you can do it. Now next coding is what? Next coding is, suppose I want to move the text. If I want to move the text, how to do? Now same coding what I will do. I'll go to Notepad. Same thing I'll copy it. Okay, no need of doing again and again. Same thing I'll copy. I'll go to new file. On the same file I'll make some changes. Suppose I'll say background color, I'll say pink. Okay, I'll say pink. Then here what I'll do, font face if you want you can change. Picture say face you want you can select. Again you go back to, I don't know, go back to MS Word. You type bin word. Again here which one you want to select. Okay, suppose I select this one or Algerian, copy this one, Alt tab, again Control V. Okay, now here again, now what not do, if you want to move, what you do, you have tag called markup. I have tag called markup. Markup is for moving the text. Okay, again if you want to close, you say, in the end you say /markup. Like that you can move. Okay, again same thing, if you want, like that you can keep on moving each and every font. Okay, again you say markup. Okay, again you say /markup. At the end you say /markup. Okay, you say /markup. Okay, like that you keep on giving for each and every this one. One minute. See, this will come before the markup will come before the font. Okay, that you remember. It will come before, it will not come afterwards, so it will give before. You say markup. Okay, like that. Markup font. Okay, here also. You say markup. And one more thing here. Suppose if you want to add background color to this, you have one more subtag called markup bg color. Bg color equals which color you want. Suppose I will say green. Okay, and again for this you want, again let us say markup bg color. Suppose if I say equals, I will say pink. And again I will say markup bg color equals, I will say brown. Okay, now what I will do, save it. Now we will go to which file, h3. You say h3.html. Okay, then you go to all files, save it. Then what you do? Then you go to this file, h3. Okay. You know, see? Now you can see the text moving. Okay, you can see the text moving. Okay, now this is for adding markup to the web page, adding markup as well as font. Now see. Okay. Now next one is what? Now in this one, I'll go open it, I'll go to Notepad. Okay. Now suppose if you want title, what we do? If you want to add title, you say title again, title. Then again you suppose if I say welcome to Micro Park, Computer Center. Then if you want to close, you say /title. Okay, like this. Okay. Now again if I save it, I'll go back to the file h3. Okay. Okay, now see this is the title. See what is showing the top of the left corner. No? See that is the title. This is the markup and markup is the color, and this is the background color. This is the font color and size what I have given, and what are the different styles I have given. Okay, like that you can keep on designing. Okay, according to your requirement. And this one more what you have in the next this one. Okay, again I'll go to Notepad. Now same thing what I will do, same thing I will copy it, Control C, again I will go to new file, Control V. Now in this what I will do, again I change the body color. Now here I will say, okay, body color I will say some green. Okay. Next what you have, now suppose I want to, we have next tag, you have an option called, that is markup. In markup you have behavior. Suppose you will say behavior, behavior. Okay, behavior equals, suppose you will say alternate. Okay, say markup behavior alternate. Okay, Then what I'll do, okay, let it, okay, I see here, BG color, okay, let it be same. Then here also behavior, behavior, behavior is equal to say alternate, okay, like this. Now again what I'll do, now suppose in the next one, now see, I'll remove these things. Okay, I'm telling mark behavior is alternate, and the one more thing what I'll do in this Control C, Control V. Okay, here what you do is say mark behavior equals suppose you say pink. Okay, then your option called direction. Okay, so say direction is equal to suppose you say up. Okay, an option called up. Okay, so remove these things. Now same thing you give. Now here what I'll do, okay, I'll say micro park. I'll say micro park computer center. Okay, then again same thing. Then again what I'll do, one more thing, same thing, I'll say copy it again. Then I'll say Control B. Okay, then here I'll say mark you BG color. Suppose I'll say red. Here I'll say down. One is up and I'll say one is down. Okay. Now here what I am doing, see, observe here. That is okay. Okay, now see this up is now. Okay, now suppose if I say here you have an option called that is width height. Okay, now I'll say width equals suppose if I say 50%, then I'll say height equals, I'll say 50%, and here also say width equals 50%, then I'll say height equals 50%. Okay, now here what I'll say this one. Okay, I'll go to file save as, I'll give them as what, h3.html. Then I'll go to all files. Now if you want, okay, staging already is there, I'll give it as h4. Okay, let's see h4.html. Now close this one. Now we go to h4. Okay, see, now see, like you can see like this. Now it's coming up and down. It's coming. Now this is for alternate. See, it's a touch and come back. The text will be touch and come back. Okay, first option. In second option, mark you is going up and down. Okay, in the again as one for up and one for down. Okay, now like this you can create one effect. Okay, in using HTML. Okay, this is for creating mark you for the how to create mark you tag in HTML for up and down behavior, as well as for scrolling. If you want to, if I say alternate, what will happen? The text will touch the both sides, left and right side, but it will not go inside. Okay, now this is regarding the how to design a web page in HTML. Okay, thank you.